Today we are making my garden fringe quilt pattern, which only uses a layer cake. Now for the fabrics, I am using the Gail Lorraine from Art Gallery Fabrics, which I will have a link down below in the description for you to purchase from a quilt store that I trust and personally shop at. Now with all of your layer cake 10-inch squares, you are going to cut them into two 5-inch by 10-inch rectangles, and that's it. Now you'll just repeat these same steps to every single layer cake 10-inch square, and don't forget I will have that free PDF pattern available down below in the description. Now garden fringe is available in 5 quilt sizes: baby throw, twin, queen, and king. Once everything is cut, it's now time to sew everything back together. So go ahead and mix up your prints so you can create that scrappy look. And we are just going to sew two 5-inch by 10-inch rectangles together with a 1/4-inch seam allowance. Now, after all of your rectangles are sewn back together in a scrappy way, we need to square the block up. Now, I'm going to square my block to a 9.5-inch square, which will only take that little extra bit off. And that's it. My blocks are now square, which means this is pretty simple and really good for a beginner. Now, all you have to do is just repeat these same steps to however many times you need to do for the quilt size that you are making. And then once all of your blocks are finished, it is time to lay your quilt out. Now for the layout, each row repeats in threes, meaning your first row, you'll turn your block where the seam is horizontal. Then the next block, the seam will be vertical, followed by a horizontal seam block layout. Then you'll just repeat these three same blocks the same way, which is horizontal, vertical, horizontal. And each row will start the same way as well. Now within the free PDF pattern, I will have visuals available for all quilt sizes if you need assistance and prefer the visuals like myself. And as always, you're going to sew those blocks together to form rows, and then lastly, sew the rows together to complete the quilt top. And here is what my quilt top looks like all finished. I love how fast it was easy to make, and two, I am a sucker for super scrappy quilts. Now for the backing, I am using this cute, small, whimsical floral print, which is from the same collection. And as for the thread choice, which are all going to be from Glide, I have so many options to choose from. And in order, I have Latte, Apricot, Blush, Seafoam Green, Pistachio, and Mercury. And then after debating and going back and forth, I ended up choosing Latte. And here is what my garden fringe quilt looks like all quilted out. And I do hope you have enjoyed today's tutorial. If you could please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified for your next amazing quilt project.